Good morning, students. Now, the last method of solving of linear equation in two variable is, last one is reducible method, reducible to pair of linear equation, reducible to pair of equation. It means you will reduce any given equation in the form of a linear equation. Exercise 3.6, the first question exercise 3.6 is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to, here x is written in denominator, y is written in denominator, equal to, and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13. In such type of questions, you will put the value of 1 by x as u. So, this is your question. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Now, put 1 by x. Let x, 1 upon x. 1 is in numerator and x is in denominator. So, 1 upon x is equal to u. Take another variable u. So, 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v, because x is in denominator, y is in denominator. So, 1 by x is equal to u. So 1 by 2u. This will become 1 by 2u. So u upon 3, because 1 by x is equal to u. So u by 3 plus u by 2. Sorry, u upon 2. First equation becomes u upon 2 plus v upon 3. V upon 3, because 1 upon y is v. So v upon 3 is equal to 2. And next one, this is your 1 upon x is u. So u upon 3 plus v upon 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So now this equation is written in the form of u upon 2 plus v upon 3 is equal to 2, and u upon 3 plus v upon 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now this is in denominator, you are seeing this. We are seeing that in denominator here is 2, here is 3, here is 1. So take the LCM of 2, 3 and 1. You will get 6. So multiply each term by 6 to remove this denominator. To remove this denominator, multiply each term by 6. So when you multiply this term by 6, 2 will cancel to 3 times, 3u, 3 2 ja 6, 2, 2v plus 6 2 ja 12. So this will be the first equation. In second again, देखिए 3 and 2. LCM will be 3. LCM of 3, 2 and 6 will be 6. Multiply each term by 6. So 3 2 ja 6, 2u plus 3v is equal to 13, because 6 will be cancelled out. So each term will be multiplied by 6. You will get that 2u plus 3v is equal to 30. So your equation becomes like the previous one. 2u plus 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. So remove any one. So multiply first by 2. Here is coefficient 2, here is coefficient 3. So multiply first by this 2 and second by this 3. So multiply first by 2 and second by 3. You will get, when you multiply this equation by 2, 3 2 ja 6u plus 4v is equal to 12 2 ja 24. And second equation will be multiplied by 3. So 3 2 ja 6u, 3 3 ja 9v, 13 3 ja, because you are multiplying by 3. 13 3 ja 39. So subtract. In subtraction, the sign will be changed in lower part. Plus 6 minus 6 will be cancelled out. This will be cancelled out. Now, plus 4b minus 9b is minus 5b, and plus 24 and minus 39, it will be minus 15, because minus is more. So minus 5b is equal to minus 15. So v is equal to minus 15 by minus 5 is equal to 3. Put the value of v in equation 1. Put the value of v in equation 1. This is 1 v. So 3u plus 2 into v is 1 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 12. So 3 is equal to 12 minus 3 to just 6. Right hand side transfer to 6 to right hand side. So 3 is equal to 6. So u is equal to 6 by 3. It means 2. Divide this 6 by this 2. You will get 2. 6 by 3 is 2. So u is 2. V is 3. Now we have taken u is equal to 1 by x. So put the value of u is equal to 2 is equal to 1 by x. By cross multiplication, 2x is equal to 1. It means x is equal to 1 by 2. Divide 1 this by 2. It means x equal to 1 by 2. Again v is equal to 1 by y, because we have taken 1 by y is equal to v. So v is equal to 1 by y. So we have find out the value of v is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 1 by y. So 3 by cross multiplication, 3y. Multiply 3 to this y and 1 to this 1. 3y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 by 3. So you have derived x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. So answer will be x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, next question, other questions you will do yourself in same method. Now fourth one, 5 by x minus 1 plus fourth part, 5 by x minus 1, 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 6 by x minus 1, 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. In same process you are seeing that this is x minus 1 is in denominator. Here y minus 2, x minus 1, y minus 2. So in same method you will put 1 by x minus 1 is equal to u and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to v. You will take whole x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. In same process. So this you will get here 5u plus v is equal to 2, because 1 upon y minus 2 is written as v. And second will becomes 6u, because 1 upon x minus 1 is u. So 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. So this equation is reduced to a linear equation in the variable u and v. And solve the same by the method of cross multiplication. You have already known. Multiply first by 3. You multiply this first by 3, because here is plus v and here is minus v. So we are going to remove this v. So multiply first by 3 and add to second one. V will be removed. When you multiply first by 3, 5 3 are 15u plus 3v is equal to 6. And the same, there is no multiplication in second equation, right? 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. So add together 15 and 6, 21u plus 3v and minus 3v will be cancelled out, and 6 and 1, 7. You are adding. So u is equal to 7 by 21. U is equal to 7 by 21. So u is equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, you can put the value of u. Put the value of u in equation 1, 2. You can put in equation 1 or in equation 2. I am going to put in equation 2. So you will get the value of v is equal to minus 1 by same process. When you put the value of u is equal to 1 by 3, in second equation 1 by 3, 1 by 3 here, 3 2 just 6, so you will get 2 minus 3v is equal to 1. So minus 3v is equal to this, 2 will be transferred to right hand side, minus 1. So minus 3v is equal to minus 1, then v is equal to minus 1 by 3, it means 1 by 3. So u is equal to 1 by 3 and v is equal to 1 by 3. Since u is equal to 1 by x minus 1, so you have already derived the value of u is 1 by 3. Here u is 1 by 3. Put 1 by 3. So by cross multiplication, x minus 1 is multiplied to 1 and 3 is multiplied to 1. So 3 into x, 3 into 1 is equal to 3 is equal to x minus 1 into 1 is equal to x minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to 3, then x is equal to transfer minus 1 to this side, x is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4. Similarly, v is equal to 1 upon y minus 2 by cross multiplication. Again, v is equal to 1, so you have derived the value of v is 1 by 3. So by cross multiplication, 3 is multiplied to 1 and y minus 2 is multiplied to 1. So 3 is equal to y minus 2. So minus 2 will be transferred to left hand side. Y is equal to 5. So you have derived the value of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. The answer will be x equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Very easy. Thank you.